Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your credit card transactions in YNAB step by step clearly.
Open YNAB on your device. Log into your YNAB account if you haven't already.
Navigate to the account section where your credit card transactions are listed.
Select the credit card account you want to update. Click on the Import button to start fetching new transactions. If you are using a direct connection, follow the prompts to link your bank account.
For manual entries, click on Add Transaction or New Transaction. Input the transaction.
Select the appropriate payee from the drop-down menu or add a new one if necessary. Enter a brief description for the transaction. Input the amount of the transaction, ensuring the correct value is entered.
If the transaction is a payment towards the credit card balance, make sure to select the payment category. Choose the appropriate budget category for any charges. Review all entered information for accuracy. Click Save or Add to record the transaction. Repeat this process for any additional transactions. Once all transactions are updated, confirm that your account balance reflects these changes. Review your budget categories to ensure they are updated accordingly. Check for discrepancies between YNAB and your credit card statement. Make adjustments as needed to ensure everything aligns correctly. Finally, close the transaction window once you have finished updating. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.